to our chef Keith. He is the one behind the magic. Of course, him and his team have been working for hours on hours for the last few days to make sure that this came to life. And this is much more than we ever expected, and we're so excited. We hope for it to stay successful. And I would like to just introduce you to Chef Keith. Thank you.
Thank you for coming. Thank you. I've noticed many of you coming here a couple days as we've been going through, so glad you could finally come back and see it finished. And like she said, we'd like to welcome you to our first annual Gingerbread Cabin. Hope for many to come.
We will be doing a pin signing for our Humphrey the Bear pin today from 4 till 5. And that'll be right over here in the corner. And you can take photos, and we'll have the pins for sale for you right over there, as well as right here where we have some of our gingerbread recipes and chocolates that were made here in-house. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Happy holidays, and thanks for coming out.
The gingerbread display is finished here at Disney's Wilderness Lodge, and it looks amazing. So this is their first gingerbread display they've done, they said. Now this is a log cabin, perfect theming here. And of course we absolutely love that Humphrey the Bear is at the front. Now he's getting ready to decorate for Christmas. You can see there are tree lights. And he's stringing the lights up here at the front of the cabin. Now those lights are made of chocolate. There are 5 hidden Mickeys here on the display. We saw some of the kids that were helping out pick out where to put the hidden Mickeys earlier. But there's 144 pounds of honey, 100 pounds of flour, 40 eggs, 20 pounds of egg whites, 48 pounds of powdered sugar, 150 pounds of sugar, 30 pounds of almond paste, 20 pounds of molding chocolate, and 50 pounds of fondant. See all the details here. And this is an edible display. You don't want to eat it. It's been put together over just a few days, but we were told that some of the dough we started making some of that dough back in August. So it takes them a long time to get these displays ready, but it looks great. Now here at the back of the cabin, you'll see there's some firewood back there. And some of my favorites here, Chip and Dale. They're having a little campfire back there. You can see some pine cones as well. And on the side of the building here, there's a Mickey-shaped wreath. So we love their display. It's exciting to see them doing a display this year. Now this is in the lobby of Disney's Wilderness Lodge. So be sure to stop by and check it out.